Hi, this is Luke. You've probably already heard about the new DeepSeek AI. It's supposed to be better than ChatGPT, and it's free. Today, we'll break it down step by step and see how the app works. For first, you need to download the app. Go to App Store, type DeepSeek, and simple download it. DeepSeek actually uses its own AI for communication. After download app, click open button in top right. After logging in, you will be taken to the main menu. You can see that the interface is quite similar than ChatGPT. At the top left, you will see two lines, which represent your current chat with the DeepSeek. And in the top right, you can create a new chat. But we are already in new one, so that's not possible right now. And let's test the AI. Well, I type, for example, how many people are on Earth. Send it and now wait. The response is quite fast, but it's simple and short. I think from ChatGPT we get better answer. Now let's try DeepThink Mode, which should generate longer and more detailed response. We will ask, for example, why are people mean to each other? Because this question required a detailed answer. Let's see how it performs. And click send. Okay, it's generating. We have to wait a second. Interesting. Now thinking. And wait for the response. Okay. Probably from ChatGPT we got the response quite faster. The response looks detailed. So if you want more detailed answer, probably use DeepThink every time. And let's test the last function, search button. This allow DeepSeek to look for information online. Okay, and let's type something harder. For example, what are Nvidia stock today? And wait until it search on internet. Internet search is the slowest thing even on ChatGPT, so I suppose it won't be different here. But this seems slower than ChatGPT. I think that ChatGPT should do it right now. And we still waiting. Okay, we got the response. Is pretty detailed, I think. But not really long. I think from ChatGPT we got a longer answer, and I don't see any sources. Overall, it doesn't really matter which one you use. For the average user, you won't notice a different and AI quality. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave me like and subscribe. Tschüss.